Welcome to AditAll, where we can create a professional quality video ad in no time. Let's start by logging in, so we can save and download our work. Great. Now we're ready to start creating ads. This is the ad mixer. In the upper left, there's a task menu where we'll select the elements that make up our ad. The timeline bar is where our footage, sound, text, and images show up. In the upper right corner is the preview player, where video is viewed. And to the left of the preview player is the edit window, where editing options will appear once we've selected clips for our ad. Let's say we're making an ad for Luigi's Pizza in Boston. We start by clicking the button, Start by selecting Footage, in the middle of the edit window. This is the footage gallery, where we can search AditAll's library of royalty-free video clips. We start by searching pizza. Luigi's Pizza is known for its pizza, but also its fresh ingredients. So in order to narrow down our search, let's try pizza and fresh. And here we are, footage showing fresh pizza ingredients poured over the top of a pizza. We can preview the footage by resting our mouse on the thumbnail image. Looks pretty good. Let's select it. The selected clip automatically appears in our video timeline, where we can play and edit it. Now let's add a second video clip by clicking on Add New below the Video Options tab in the Tasks menu. We're back in the footage gallery. This time let's search for pepperoni. This one looks great. Hit Select. Our second clip appears after the first in the video timeline. Let's trim clip number 2 by dragging the arrows in the edit window or in the timeline itself. In the edit window, we have all kinds of editing options. We can shorten or lengthen our clip using the trim tool or drag the arrows at the start and end of the clip in the timeline. We can also add video effects like fade in and zoom. We can drag the timeline back and forth to see how the elements line up or use the timeline arrows at the upper right. We can also drag the clips themselves to position them, or move the indicator left or right to view a specific section. Above that, the preview player has play, pause, fast forward, and rewind controls. Now it's time to add some text and a logo for Luigi's. Let's place the indicator at the end of the video so that the logo image will automatically be placed there. Go to Image Options in the Task menu and select Add New. Now we can browse for an image to upload from our computer and select our Luigi's logo. The logo can be resized in the edit window using Transform. And we can add text to our logo. Using the text controls, we can customize the font and the color. So that was for an image slide. Now let's look at the text layer, which allows us to place writing over any part of the video. Under Text Options in the Tasks menu, select Add New. As an example, let's enter Luigi's URL. And now, by dragging the edge of the clip to the end, the website appears during the length of the ad. Using the text controls, we can customize the font and the color. Now let's add sound. We can choose from soundtrack, narration, and sound effects in the task menu options. To add a music soundtrack, we drag the indicator to the point on the timeline where we want sound to begin. Then we press Add New under the soundtrack menu. In the soundtrack gallery, we can search AditAll's library of royalty-free music by genre or keyword. How about we try Latin music as our genre? Great! Have a quick listen by clicking on the play arrow at the bottom of the soundtrack thumbnail. Sounds good. press Select to bring it into the timeline. Back in the Ad Mixer Edit window, we can edit our music with the trim bar and adjust the volume. Let's make it 60%. Choosing narration, we're able to record our own sounds using AditAll's recorder or upload pre-recorded clips from our computer. Click the red button to start recording. Luigi's Pizza, come on down. And there's our narration. We click Select and the sound clip shows up in the timeline below our video footage. Sound is edited the same way as video using the trim feature in the Edit window or the arrows at the start and end of the clip in the timeline. You can drag your narration to position it wherever you like. Not bad for a first edit. We click Next at the bottom of the screen, and we can title our ad. Designate the client, project, and make whatever comments we like. Looks like we're done. One complete video ad ready for broadcast. When the ad is finished, we can purchase and download the ad or choose to run a video ad campaign through AditAll. Here's what our Luigi's Pizza ad looks and sounds like. Luigi's Pizza, come on down.